Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. There's many ways that you can export your media or your designs within Figma. Today I'm going to show you how to export it in a PNG format. It's quick and easy, so let's climb straight in. So what you want to do is when you've got your project here, you want to go ahead and select the frame, okay? And you'll see on the left hand side over here the name of the frame, but once you go and select it, you'll have some options on the right hand side. You're going to go down to the bottom, there's an export option. Now you can go ahead and just click on export, but you can now also change the quality. You can upscale it if you need to. You can also give it a suffix or an extension, and then you can change the format right over here. So we're looking for PNG. You can hit the three dots over here as well, and you can change the color profile. Now, right now I'm going to leave it the same as the original file, and you can either choose to ignore the overlapping layers or not. I'm going to leave this as is, and I'm going to click on export, and this will now be exported to my device as a PNG.